Hey guys, welcome to Old SmokinSteve's. Normally we're cooking up something out on the grill or sous vide something or air frying, but today we're going boating. That's right, we're going boating. We're going down to Marina Jack's here in Sarasota, Florida, and we're going to be meeting up with some good friends and going out on a pontoon boat and checking out Sarasota Bay. I'm really looking forward to it. They got a brand new boat there at SunTex Boat Club, and I get to take it out on its maiden voyage. So I'm really excited about that. The wife and I did go at another marina where they were getting it all prepped up, ready to go, and we did see it, got a glimpse of it, and that thing is beautiful. I can't wait to show it to you. So guys, let's get out of the kitchen, head down to Marina Jack's.
Oh man.
What do you say, Captain?
Ready to go boating?
Yeah,
That's
you got
right,
it.
Baby. SunTex
I'm ready.
Best in the world, welcome home.
Exactly.
Hey dudes, you want to take care of Mr. Steve?
Yeah, we're gonna get boxed.
Beautiful, beautiful. Go check out the boat, brother.
All right, I know it's beautiful.
That's it.
Wow. Okay guys, let's check out some of these boats that belong to SunTex. We got center consoles, deck boats, pontoon boats, bow riders. They got quite a selection here. Some of these are boat rentals, and some of them belong to the boat club. But if you belong to the boat club, you have access to all these boats, both the rentals and the boat club boats. And there's the new baby sitting right there, that blue one. That's the one we're going to be going out on today. But we got some more boats on down this way. I got a lot of boats to pick from. And it's all good being out on that water. So let's go back and check out that new blue pontoon boat, Aloha. Look at the cockpit on this baby. We're all digital, no gauges. Got a digital readout here showing the battery level, fuel 46 gallons, the tack, and over here we got the depth finder. We're sitting at about 4.8 feet right now. This is really awesome. Really awesome. We're going to be firing it up and taking her out on the water here in a little bit. Here's a little peek at the bow. These seats are awesome. They all lift up. We got plenty of storage underneath the cushions, and the stern same way. All those cushions lift out. Plenty of storage, room for your life preservers and whatnot. And there's the captain's chair. Okay, we're still tied up to the dock here, but here's a little look around the Marina Jack's here. This is the view from the dock here at SunTex Boat Club. Beautiful views no matter where you're at, guys. It's just beautiful out here. Okay, we're headed towards Siesta Key now. We got the wife aboard, Dee and Norma, riding up on the bow there. And back here in the back, we got Bud and Dale. All good friends out here enjoying the nice warm weather and a little boat ride here and the scenery. It's beautiful out here. Gotta love this. This is awesome. Great fun, great friends. Loving it. Guys, check this place out. This is awesome. They got water almost all the way around this place. Look at all that glass. Wow. It'd probably take an hour or so to walk around and shut all those blinds. No, actually, they probably just have a button they hit. They all lower. It's great out here. Water's beautiful. A lot to see. Well, we haven't lost anybody yet. Still on board. It's always a good sign. Look at this, guys. Dogs over here. There's a whole pack of dogs and somebody out there playing with their dogs. Them dogs are having a ball. Who knew? Out here in the middle of nowhere in Sarasota Bay. Okay, we stopped off here at South Lido Beach. Had a little lunch here and just enjoying the scenery. This white sand is so beautiful, so soft. Just like flour. And I've never seen this stuff blow, or it's never been hot. It's just perfect. What a view. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the boat ride, and be sure to check out SunTex Boat Club. Give Captain Evan a call. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you on the next one. Be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.